Hi, I'm Mark Cleghorn. Welcome to the Photographer Academy. And guess what? A box of tricks has just arrived. Now, I'll say one thing, okay? Elinchrom and I are big fans and they've been supporters of us. And I actually talk about their brand quite a lot. However, when stuff arrives and I don't know, here's a little gift for you, or can you have a look at this and see what you think? I haven't had that note, okay? So I don't know if it's a gift, a present, or if I'm just gonna look at it and give my results. So that's why we haven't gone live, okay? So this is the long-awaited Elinchrom 1. Now, if you're familiar with the D-Light one, he says reaching off, that's one of them, okay? Absolutely love it to death, light as can be, entry-level flash kind of designed for photographers and things really. The guys at the Flash Centre in the UK have touched on this with me a little bit over the past few months, but we've not had any official kind of discussion exactly what's involved and things really, so I still don't know if it's actually allowed to be talked about or not yet, hence we're not live. I've never done an unboxing video in my life. Brandon's idea, not mine here, okay, so let's give it a go. So if it all falls out, okay, or if a banana jumps out here or a clown, all right, we're gonna have trouble, all right? I should have got you to do this really, shouldn't I? Okay, so let's have a little look. So straight away, sexy box, sexy bag, and basically, okay, it's portable, yeah? Portable, why? Backpack. Straight away, we can see that it is actually designed to obviously be out on location, perhaps, kind of thing with it. I'm pretty excited to go in, to be honest, so let's have a little look. Top of the bag, that was the wrong part to go into first. I did say it was live, didn't I, yeah? And then within here, we've got charger. So yeah, it's basically a portable flash system. Yeah, great. Like the idea straight away, the backpack instead of actually a trolley bag that we've done so much before. Oh, very nice. Ooh. That's a small head. Wow, love it. I did get a standout ready in case with it. That is a totally different Elinchrom. Wow. Yeah, it does not look Elinchrom in any way. Loving the new black. That's fabulous. The dome, in fact, is really good. If you're used to their portable, then you'll basically know already that basically they had a cap that used to actually cover over all their portable packs and everything else with it. So I gather with a bit of power, and again, I'm sure there's lots of photographers out there who do these unboxing things. I have no idea what I'm doing, except as I would in a normal way. When you get a new bit of kit, yeah, just actually just get it open, you know. RTFM, very, very powerful words to understand in the world of anything technical, yes. I think it means read the manual, which is a thing that Mark Cleghorn really doesn't do much at all. So just looking for the charging, that's actually going underneath. Okay, neat. Flashy light comes on the side as well, kind of thing with it. So we're actually down to 0.1. So as I mentioned, nothing like I was expecting as far as the D-Light 1. You know, when you look at the comparison, let me bring this one in as well. If you zoom out a touch, Brandon, let's just do the side-by-side comparison. They're different worlds, yeah, agreed? Very, 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 very cool kind of thing with it. Let's, as I said to you, I've had no heads up on this except there's one come in. If we look on the back here of the screen, you can start to see the touchscreen element anyway, and basically the way to actually just go through it. So if we kind of press into the menu, I'm sure there's going to be very, very similar things that we're used to anyway. I've got to have a little look. I like the visual. Can you see the group one here? We talk about the group ones quite a lot. Let's just see straight away if it, yeah, so it does, okay? So it works with all the original Skyport stuff no matter what. If I stand behind that dome, you can just see it. But that's my original the Skyport. Haven't looked fully through the bag, as I said, yet. Okay, so there's the trigger, and obviously that kind of fires in exactly the same way with it. Whilst we're there, Brandon, and you're on the close-up, that was the new power cord that I just found. So it's more like a computer power cord. than it is anything else. So far, so good. Tell you what we'll do is I need to have a little look at this. It's already showed, in fact, that its battery is charged. So that's nice of them to do that. So we're pretty much ready. Do you reckon if we unplug it, it's battery powered? Oh, mate. Portable. See recharge time. I love it. And it's fan cooled as well. Do you hear it? Just went off then. Battery, I didn't expect that. So, yeah, they really have kept it quiet on me anyway. And I usually get to know quite a lot in advance. So there's the dome there. Let's just kind of flick off the dome. So we're used to the flash coil inside anyway, and we've got the LED on the front, okay? So if you're kind of used to the old style of studio flashes, whatever, it always relies on the kind of the bulb inside, yeah? Pretty much with the ELC Pros and so on, they basically got rid of the bulbs. They began to actually look at the LEDs and so on with it and things really. Mate, kind of quite a nice idea to do an unboxing, but I just want to not do anything else for the rest of the day now and just actually have a little look at it. I'm just going to plug that back in again for there. Great. Well, very well done, Elinchrom. First visual, brilliant. It's the dual kit, the dual one kit or one dual kit. I can't really give you any more info except if it's mine to keep, thank you very, very much. If it's mine just to actually have a look at, I'm gutted. But already, congratulations on a great idea of a backpack as far as the light's concerned. Very well done. I did expect, to be honest, it wasn't going to be mains powered. I thought it was just be mains charged. But thanks for joining me live. Well, it's not live because we don't know if we could talk about it yet, but we'll get this live soon.